Hey, it's your old pal Fernbark, and today we're going to take a look at Ryobi's new 18+1 volt cordless wet dry vacuum. It's got a 6-gallon capacity, and I got to tell you, this new cordless wet dry vac is quickly becoming my favorite item in the One Plus line of tools. In the box, what you receive is the vacuum itself, a crevice tool, your regular fitting that goes on the end of the extension tubes, 2 extension tubes, and this much hose. It comes with this filter installed. I took it out because I'm getting ready to try out the wet function of the vacuum cleaner. Operation of this could not be any simpler. There's 4 latches that you have to open up, and then the top comes off so you can empty it. Then you can see right inside here there's a float which will keep you from sucking water into the motor. Your battery goes right here. Now theoretically the One Plus system is designed that you could use any battery and any tool. In this case you're pretty much just going to use the P108 4-amp-hour battery. Anything else will not run this for any length of time. I put a 2-amp-hour in there just to try it out. I think it ran for about 15 seconds and quit. So you pretty much got to be using the 4-amp-hour batteries with this guy. And then the single function control is an on-off button right here. These big wheels pull really easy over any uneven surface. I'm pretty impressed with it. Alright, let's see how long it takes to suck up a bucket of water. Not too bad. This thing is so easy to maneuver, it's unbelievable. Forwards, backwards. I mean, it's just, once you get used to not dragging that cord around, there's just no going back. I just love this thing. Gravel driveway, no problem. It does have these bungee cords for you to put your tubes into for storage, and you'll probably use these one time and then stop using it because it's pretty lame and not that easy to use. I basically just wrap the hose around here, and it's pretty much, if I really need to, I'll stick it through this back hole right here just to keep it from flopping. You're probably wondering how long does this go on a single battery, and I've only been using the 4 amp-hours in it. With great suction, and this thing can really pull like a beast. Comes great battery usage, so I'm going to say, I haven't actually timed it, but right around 15-20 minutes is about as long as you're going to get out of a single battery, which has worked out fine for me. It doesn't take me that long to sweep up a mess in my garage, so I just love this thing. It's just so easy to use. I'm not tipping it over on its own cord. I'm not hunting for a cord to plug it in. Just absolutely nothing not to love about this.